Dear my customer, this is Stonebird from Benefits. Today, I will show you a few days before I introduced a lot of functions for YCC365. It looks quite complicated. Actually, the camera usage is very simple. Today, I will introduce some key points for usage. I draw a conclusion about the steps. Here is the steps for this one. So you can see the PowerPoint in the movie. First one, you need to download the YCC365 from the Google Play and Apple Store. The linkage is here. You need to prepare the wireless router, the camera, SD card, or mobile phone. Router must support the 2.4 frequency. SD card must be used class 10 above. Cell phone also support 2.4. Okay, let me start this one. First one we installed already. The second action is add the camera into your account. Let me plug the device. To make it simple, I will use the cable. We'll go to the camera setting here. We need to set up the time zone at the device time zone. I will change it here. Change it here. My time zone is GMT plus 8. If you are US, you can select relative time zone here. I will choose Hong Kong here. Saved already. I will choose the next one is step is set up a video storage. Play the video from the memory card. Okay, let me insert SD card here. Okay, SD card insert already. Let me power off and power on. That is too easy to recognize the SD card. Wait about 30 seconds. Cameras will be power on. I need to close app first. Camera restart. Okay, let me open the app here. Let me change the video, play the video from the memory card, and then device storage. This one expired for cloud already. Now I can see the SD card recognized already. So I will change the memory card recording mode as all-day recording. And then I will format the SD card. About 2 minutes to be ready for the SD card. Wait. Okay, now SD card is ready. So let me change the push notification setting. I will receive the summary, stop notification time. I will leave it on, and I will change it here. Receive the summary. I will change it to half hours. So I want to receive too much of the false alarm, so I change it here. I will receive email notification when I purchase the package here. I change it here. With very frequent. So the next step is we need to move the camera to the installation location and then try it to look at around if you can remote control Fluently. You can use the 4G and the local control mode to look at. The final step is very important. When you finish all the stuff, after 1 day, you need to check the playback if it's okay and record as you want. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just send the email to me or send a message to us. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.